I learned this at a floristry course. Pour water into a vase, then arrange your favorite flowers around an upside-down wine glass. I used tulips. Add a few green accents so the arrangement looks natural and fresh. Place a candle on top of the inverted glass. And that's it. You get a beautiful centerpiece almost for free. Just light the candle and it instantly adds lightness, elegance, and atmosphere to your interior. Just a handful is enough, and your flowers will bloom like crazy. They will be covered in blossoms and fill your entire balcony. Every pest will be avoided. See how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Pour a handful of rice into a glass. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. To the resulting paste, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Finally, pour the liquid into a spray bottle using a funnel. Your homemade spray is ready to use. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use and spray it on your flowers. This treatment provides essential nutrients to the plants and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your flowers will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural fertilizer. Here's how you can revive wilted tulips. The result is almost immediate. After buying them, follow these care tips to keep your tulips looking fresh for up to 2 weeks. All it takes is the right conditions, and your colorful spring bouquet can brighten your home for weeks. Before placing the flowers in a clean, properly disinfected vase, trim the ends of the stems. Use pruning shears or a sharp pair of scissors to avoid damaging the plant. Make the cut at a slight angle to help the tulips absorb water more efficiently. Shorten the stem by about 1/2 to 1 inch. Flowers sold in stores are often cut a few days before they appear on display, which can cause them to dry out and absorb water less effectively. This simple trick not only lifts the flowers up, but also extends their freshness. You can be sure your bouquet will stay vibrant and beautiful for many days to come. This trick will keep your bouquet looking fresh for 2 weeks, or even longer. Create a unique decoration using toilet paper. This simple trick will surprise your guests. Start by taking a roll of toilet paper and tearing off about 15 sheets. Divide them into 3 parts. Now take a larger cap, such as one from a shaving foam can, and use it as a template. Trace the cap's outline onto the toilet paper sheets with a marker and carefully cut out the shape. Next, color the outer edges with a marker in a shade of your choice. Now take some plastic wrap and spread it out. Place the colored paper pieces on the wrap and spray them generously with water. As the paper absorbs moisture, it will slightly wrinkle, creating a petal-like effect. Leave the petals to dry. Once they are dry, prepare an empty toilet paper roll. Attach the petals to the roll, securing each layer with glue. Depending on how densely you place the petals, you can create a more open or closed rose shape. It's ready. You can enhance the effect by adding a few drops of essential oil. Place the rose in a spot where you spend the most time to enjoy its fragrance and decorative look. It also works perfectly in the bathroom, where it not only adds charm, but also helps eliminate unwanted odors. This way, you get an elegant and fragrant accessory in one. Put garlic under your flowers. It's a trick gardeners have been using for years. Thanks to it, they can enjoy strong and healthy plants. While most people think of garlic only in the kitchen, it also has properties that work perfectly in plant care. And in a moment, you'll see how simple it is. Just peel a whole head of garlic, sprinkle the thin skins into the pot, then cover them with soil, mix, and plant your flower. From then on, it will draw valuable nutrients straight from the ground. You can also use the skins in another way. Put them in a pot and add about 1/2 quart of water. Let it simmer on low heat for around 10 minutes. Once the skins release their goodness, strain the liquid and add a cup of fresh water. Water your plants with this natural extract once a week. Both methods are incredibly simple. You'll see results very quickly. All it takes are those thin garlic skins. They enrich the soil and make plants stronger. Flowers grow faster, fuller, and more beautiful than ever before. Do this for your plants. The result will be amazing. Start by taking 1 red beetroot. Grate it using a grater and foil to avoid dirty hands. Don't peel it beforehand. The skin also contains valuable properties. Beetroot is not only a tasty ingredient, but also a great product for gardening. It contains valuable nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and flavonoids, which support plant growth and blooming. It also helps fight diseases and boosts flower immunity. Place the beetroot in a blender. Add water, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and blend everything together. Strain the mixture to remove any leftover skin, and pour the resulting liquid into a glass jug with a dispenser. This will make it easier to apply the fertilizer to your plants. Now, simply water your plants with the pink liquid. You can use it for orchids and other potted flowers. The beetroot fertilizer not only provides essential minerals to the plants, but also improves the condition of their leaves and flowers. This natural fertilizer makes my flowers grow like crazy. It contains everything flowers need. I can use it on any plant in the house. My plants have finally stopped getting sick, and their roots have strengthened. The flowers are beautiful and healthy. Thanks to this fertilizer, potted plants have large green leaves. It increases the number of buds and shoots in flowering plants. This homemade mixture contains all the essential elements: potassium, phosphorus, calcium, silicon, zinc, and others. To prepare it, you'll need rice and either a blender or a coffee grinder. Start by making rice flour from the rice. Meanwhile, get a jar ready. Put a teaspoon of rice flour into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat 500 milliliters of water. Pour the hot water over the mixture in the jar. Close the jar and let it sit for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a fine sieve. Dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water for every 100 milliliters of fertilizer. You can save the rest of the jar's contents for later use. Now, water your plants with this mixture and wait for the results. Florists will never tell you this trick. Your home will instantly get a whole new vibe. It's ridiculously simple. All you need is a large aluminum tray. Grab some colorful flowers, preferably ones that have already started to lose their freshness. Cut off just the flower heads straight onto the tray. Carnations, roses, or any other colorful blooms work great for this trick. Spread all the flowers evenly across the tray. Now it's time for plain water. Not too much, just enough to lightly dampen them. This keeps the petals from burning at high heat and helps them hold their shape. Place the tray in the oven. Set the convection setting to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry the flowers for about 1 hour. After that, you'll see a result that will surprise you. Perfectly dried, colorful flowers. But that's not all. Pour the dried flowers into a bowl or another glass container. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Place a tea light candle on top. Done. A beautiful natural decoration that costs nothing. Your home will smell amazing and look absolutely magical. The whole room will instantly fill with the scent of summer and the colors of a garden.